Have you ever been to cemetery? Have you ever noticed why is it peacefully and orderly? Well, it's not by chance. It turns out that there is a mad magic involved. Hi guys! Welcome to the intriguing world of cemetery geometry, where the silent landscape of remembrance is cleverly shaped by mathematical principles.
How is mathematics connected or related sa ating mga sementeryo? As far as we know, ang primary purpose ng ating mga sementeryo is to serve as the final resting place of our deceased loved ones. Pero yung mga structures, yung layout at saka yung designs of the graves in the cemeteries often involve considerations of geometry for symbolic, for aesthetic, and for practical reasons.
Geometry is a branch of mathematics dealing with shapes, with its properties and dimensions. During the ancient times up to this time, geometry is used in laying the foundations of structures and mapping out surroundings.
Now let's explore three key areas where geometry plays a vital role in cemetery. First, the burial depth. Second, the grave sizes. Third, the symbolic designs and shapes. Let's go and explore.
Let's talk about burial depth. Geometry plays a role in determining the appropriate depths for burial. The measurement ensures that graves are often dug to a specific depth, adhering to standards and regulation. As a general guideline, graves are often dug to a depth of approximately 6 to 8 feet.
So ano yung reason kung bakit 6 feet underground? May dalawa itong dahilan. Una is for prevention of disturbance. Burying bodies at a sufficient depth helps prevent environmental factors and animals, particularly scavengers and rodents, from disturbing the remains.
Pangalawa, decomposition and hygiene. Burying bodies at a greater depth can help contain the decomposition process. Deeper burials may slow down the decomposition rate and reduce the release of odors, contributing to a sanitary and respectful environment.
We now move on sa grave sizes. The measurement of the graves involve geometry sa pagpaplano ng layout ng mga sementeryo.
Here in the Philippines, above-ground grave is common, especially in limited spaces. There are different types of graves and their dimensions. One example is the single crypt. In above-ground grave, it may have dimensions ranging about 2.5 to 3.5 feet in width, 8 to 10 feet in length, and 3 to 4 feet in height.
Lastly, we have the symbolic shapes and designs. Beyond practical measurements, geometry takes on a symbolic role, influencing the shapes and designs within the cemeteries. Here in the Philippines, where cultural tradition and symbolism are deeply rooted, geometric designs associated with the dead will often hold a significant meaning.
Here are three geometric forms that hold profound significance, contributing to the rich narrative of life, death, and the afterlife. Squares and rectangles across this landscape denote stability and order. It symbolizes the solid foundation in which both life and the afterlife stand on. Here in Benguet, circle symbolizes the continuous connection between the living and the past ones. Circle represents eternity, the cyclic nature of life, a bond that overcomes the boundaries of mortality. In Benguet's Christian traditions, the cross takes on a powerful role. It symbolizes faith and resurrection. The cross is a universal emblem of hope for eternity.
So as we explore the geometry for the resting places sa mga napayapa na, let us explore more about the deep connections between shapes, dimensions, and human experience.
And as we stand in the cemetery geometry, surrounded by shapes, structures, and design, let us find appreciation for mathematics beyond these hallowed grounds.
So those are the three key areas of geometry in cemetery. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something. Bye guys!